Hi everyone, I hope you all are fine at your place. Today I am here again with another chapter from class 9, that is The Road Not Taken. This is a poem written by Robert Frost. Robert Frost is an American poet. He used to write very simple things, common experiences, but that was insightful. A deep meaning was hidden in the poem. And this one, The Road Not Taken, is a well-known poem, and also the lines of this poem are quoted by many orators in their talks, in their speeches, because this poem is very useful, not just for students, as this poem is in their English subject. This poem is also beneficial and meaningful for all the individuals, and in one or the other way they can have an insight that how one should lead his life. So let us start with this poem, The Road Not Taken. If we look at the title, The Road Not Taken, this means the road that was not chosen, the road that was not selected. Then why Robert Frost gave this title, The Road Not Taken? Because this poem is an autobiography, a kind of an autobiographical element is found in this poem. An incident is described here by Robert Frost. And what was that? The poet was standing at a turning point. Somewhere here, the poet is standing. This is the turning point, and here on this diversion, the poet has to make a choice. A choice of what? Two roads are going, and now it is very essential for the poet to decide that which road he will select. This poem consists of just 4 stanzas. The first line of this poem, two roads diverged in a yellow wood. Yellow wood means forest with yellow leaves. This is an autumn season. And then the poet describes that he was standing and the two roads were in front of him. Now, being a single traveler, he can travel only one road. Now, he is standing there and thinking for a while that which road he should follow. And this is what explained in the first stanza. When he was looking at one of the road, he could see that the road ends somewhere in the dense forest. Then in the second stanza, poet describes, then finally he thought of going to the second road. Why? Although the roads were similar, but then it was a fair claim. Means he found that it was a better option. He thought of going to the second road. The reason was it was wanted where. These are the words described in the poem. The poet mentioned this word which means unused. The poet realized that the road he selected was not used by many people. Then he comes to the third stanza. There he described that the day he was standing there, that morning, no one traveled on these two roads. Why? Because the leaves were grassy, no one walked over on both the roads. So it was the traveler who was standing there, and he was the first one to follow the path. Then he decided of going to the second road, and he also thought that for the first path, for the first road, he would come some other day. Although he was very well aware that one road leads to the other. And then he was in a doubt. He thought that he might get a chance or not to come back and follow the first road. But he selected the second one. Then comes the fourth stanza, where the poet describes that after some time, maybe in the future, with a sigh, with a deep breath, that sigh of relief, the poet is going to explain this incident to the people. That once he was standing at a turning point where the poet had to make a choice to select one road out of the two roads. And then what he selected transferred the entire scenario. How? Because the choice he made not just brought a difference, a miracle in his life. And that is why he wrote just at the end of the poem, two roads diverged in wood, but I took the one that was less traveled by, and that has made all the difference. So the difference lies the choice you make. This is all described in the poem. This is on the surface level explanation of this poem. But now, if we go to the subtle level, that is deep inside this poem, then we can understand this poem. Here, again and again, it is described, choose one, choose one, choose one. What is this? This is the choice. This road is a symbol of our life. If we compare our lives, we will find that in our life also sometimes we have opportunities. We have so many options, and then we have to choose one out of the many options. And the choice you make will design your future. And especially for the students, this is a very important message given by the poet, that is, while you are selecting, while you are making a choice in your life, then you have to be very careful and wise while making your decision, and your decision can be your career decision. What you choose right now will create the picture of your future. So if you want that your future should be bright, so what you have to do? You have to make a right choice, so that after few years you don't have to regret that what you made a choice earlier in your life was not up to the mark. So friends, this is the message given by the poet that highlights your own life. How you want to shape your life depends on the choice you make in your life. So, whenever you are standing at a turning point where you have to make a choice, be very careful, alert and conscious. Think for a while before making any decision. So this was the message of this poem. Let us know about the poetic devices. Because whenever you are doing some poem, it is important to understand the poetic devices used in the poem. So the first one is rhyme scheme. A, B, A, B. This is the rhyme scheme of this poem. Then you have symbolism. Two roads used as symbols. Symbols of what? Our life. Then you have anaphora. Anaphora means when a word is repeated in the beginning of the lines. You can see in the first stanza, and is there in line number 2, 3 and 4. Then you have alliteration. When one sound is repeated. Wanted, W, and where, W. This is repeated. Then you have though and that too. And the last device is repetition. And what is repeated in the poem? The word ages in the 4th stanza. So these are the 5 devices used in this poem. So when you prepare this poem for your exam, then you have to remember these 5 poetic devices. This will enhance your answer too. So this is all for today. Thank you so much. Please like and subscribe. Thank you once again.